Hi everybody, it's Maureen of Maureen 97 Designs. I just got my April 2021 Sew Sampler from the Fat Hoarder Shop, and I've been reading some people talking about how awesome it is, so I just had to do an unboxing video to share with those of you who haven't gotten your boxes yet but want a sneak peek. So here we go. And my box came like this, kind of smashed, so I hope everything inside is okay. So the box is themed Town Square. And oh, this is Sunday Stroll from Bonnie and Camille. That looks like a, what is that, a fat quarter bundle? Oh, cute! 3-inch square and a square foundation paper. I actually haven't done a square and a square yet. So I was kind of thinking about either getting a ruler or getting some of the foundation paper. So this will be good for me to try out. This is a label set, Keep It Quilty Limited Edition 12-pack. And oh, what a nice pouch. It's really big too. And it's got all kinds of sewing motifs on it. That's great. Oh, a coupon book. Wow. Let me not open that to show the video. But here's the pattern. It's called Starflower. That's really nice. I like that. They give you options for a lap quilt or 3 table runners. I think I will probably end up doing the lap quilt. And then here is the new Bright Side Quilt Along. This is the first block, block 1. And it uses the Happy Days collection by Sherry and Chelsea from Moda Fabrics. So yeah, a pretty good box. Let me look at these coupons on the side. Oh, these are pretty good coupons. Wow. Yeah, so I'm gonna say a really nice box. I really like this pouch. I like the Sunday Stroll fabrics. The pattern is nice. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to do the Bright Side Quilt Along yet, so I'll just be saving those until I decide. But I'm kind of excited to try this square and a square foundation paper. And actually, let me look at the Quilty label set. So they are... oh, there's sewing machines, thread spools with needles, irons, and pin cushions. These are super cute. And they all say On Point Stitch on the back. That's very cute. I like that. So, yeah, I mean, I really like this box. I'm not sure if it's one of the best I've ever gotten, but it's pretty up there. So yeah, I hope you like this sneak peek, and I hope if you haven't gotten your box yet, you'll get it soon. And I wanted to say thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.